Welcome to this meeting of ghazals that Baba liked, and we are doing this program every Thursday. And in this meeting, we are studying together regarding the ghazals which Baba liked during his stay at Guru Prasad, and of course at Mehrazad also Baba used to listen ghazals, and we have seen that at Guru Prasad uh, there were no much discourses, but mostly Baba, like a family atmosphere, Baba invited his lovers, and there used to be singing, playing cards, and Baba asking everyone, "How are you?" How they are, and singing was very prominent. Madhusudanji, Begum Akhtar, and
What way?
Lataji,
The
yeah,
Janan what way?
Watway, and all great singers. Of
Yeah,
course,
yeah.
Lataji can tell later on. And it was really a wonderful atmosphere. And somehow I see another side of this, that ghazal singers like Begum Akhtar, and what Lataji told me, that earlier those singing was the property of the gharanas, like the families, and they basically owned this art, captive of this art, and only there, and they used to give it to their disciples. But then what Begum Akhtar did, he to the public. He made it accessible to the. Otherwise, it was a very private property of the kings, rulers, and big families. So then Baba somehow called her in initially in 1937-38, but then she demanded huge money, and Baba said no. And somehow later on, then she was touched inwardly, and then she visited. And there starts the story. And then, fortunately, today Lataji is with us, who was connected with Begum Akhtar. Begum Akhtar, she sat in the lap of Begum Akhtar 8 times. So definitely it has some spiritual significance. And Baba uh, blessed her for the singing, to the extent that she got recognized nationally, and she got the national award, president's award, twice. And so this way the ghazals were brought into public, and Baba liked qawwalis also, ghazals, qawwalis, tumris, entire music was what I feel, that these discourses and not means it's more intellectual, but ghazal and singing is something, it is from the heart. And because Baba was the love personification, so through music he wanted to touch every heart, he wanted to awaken that heart. And we see all programs and Baba meetings and all, we all sing, we gather, we sing bhajans, and somehow it is in the culture of Maharashtra also, that they are singing bhajans in the praise, and that really touches, and that goes to the Lord. Yeah. So I think first I will invite Lataji, because then it's a night time in India, so she will, and then so she can go for rest earlier. Then after that, I invited Mehernath also, and luckily he was also there all the time in Guru Prasad. So he may talk about ghazals also, and singing and musical aspect of Papa's presence. So Lataji, maybe you can enlighten us about ghazals and their
या
yeah, yeah.
मैं हिंदी में पढ़ती हूँ, आप उसका
दीजिए,
ट्रांसलेट कर
हाँ हाँ,
दीजिए।
मैं
ओके।
ट्रांसलेशन करूँगा उसका जी।
पद्म भूषण जन्नत नशीन बेगम अख्तर, उमरी दादरा कजली हुरी गजल उनकी सम्राज्ञी थी। तवायफों की कोठी पर 400-500 साल बंदिस्त हुई गजल गायकी को मुक्त करा के अपने खानदानी प्रतिभा संपन्न व्यक्तित्व से प्रभावित हुए समाज व प्रतिष्ठित समाज के लोगों में इस गजल गायकी का पुनरुत्थान करने का महान कार्य गजल सम्राज्ञी पद्म भूषण बेगम अख्तर साहिबा ने किया है।
कैन
अब
आई
गजल इतनी
हाँ,
मशहूर है।
कैन आई इंटर
आप
या
बताइए।
कैन आई या
हाँ।
अदरवाइज मैं भूल जाऊंगा। हाँ
ओके।
हाँ। सो पद्म भूषण इज एन अवार्ड, इज द हाईएस्ट अवार्ड फ्रॉम द government of India, and it was conferred on the Begum Akhtar. And Begum
आफ्टर
Akhtar,
डेथ।
yeah,
आफ्टर डेथ।
yeah, after death. Yeah, it is
हाँ।
generally conferred after death. So she was awarded this Padma Bhushana. And so what Lataji says that the Ghazal Gaiki, which was only confined into prostitutions, like those big kings and big families, it was in the closed door, and it was not easily accessible to the general public. And so she has that credit of bringing this ghazal to the general public from the clutches of the those musical gharanas and all. Like I see that in Indian classical music also, Pandit Vishnu Narayan Paluskar Bhatkhande,
या
he was also the person who brought music to the general. He rationalized and he brought that Indian classical music accessible to the general public. So it was really a great thing by Baba's blessing that these ghazals and thumris and qawwalis, they were released to the common man.
कॉमन।
Yeah.
अब गजल इतनी मशहूर हुई है कि अच्छे अच्छे घर की बहू बेटियां गजल गाने का शौक रखती हैं, उसके लिए समय निकालकर अभ्यास करती हैं। वह अपने गले को जो तरीका सूट होता है उस तरीके से अपनी गजलों को लोगों में पेश करती हैं।
Yeah. So now the result was that now the sophisticated families, the highly respected ladies of the big families, now they started learning it. So which earlier the pros and all those were they used to sing. Now the aristocratic family ladies, they started they adopted it, and they feel pride in learning ghazals and singing this art. And even we can see in the Bollywood pictures early days that the famous Pakistanis, those of course before I think it started after 47, after
या
partition, yeah, in the 50s and 60s basically.
यह
Yeah,
गजल
please.
है क्या? गजल का बाह्य रंग और उसका बंध कैसा है, ये देखते हैं। गजल में सलामी की संयमक द्विपदी ध्रुवपद कपलेट, जिसे मतला कहते हैं। शेर की पहली पंक्ति उला मिश्रा, शेर की दूसरी पंक्ति सानी मिश्रा। पूर्व यमक काफिया, अंत यमक रदीफ होता है। सही है
So
आप।
the technical aspect what Lataji is telling, and I think these are very tough words, and so I am feeling difficulty in grasping those technical words.
हाँ
But what is ghazal? She was explaining that these are the couplets from the Urdu poetry, and there are first two stanzas and then the remaining stanzas. So what we call first two stanzas, Lataji, when they
मतला
begin with matla,
सही हाँ
and yeah, isthai. In Hindi music they call it isthai, and here
हाँ
in the ghazal they call mitla, and then the
मतला
antara
शेर की
portion.
पहली पंक्ति, मतलब दो
हाँ हाँ
पंक्तियों का
the
शेर होता है, उसकी
हाँ
पहली पंक्ति को उला मिसरा कहते हैं,
Ulav Mishra. The first stanza is Ulav Mishra. Yeah.
और दूसरी पंक्ति सानी मिश्रा।
And second stanza is Sani Mishra.
हाँ
Right.
और यमक पहला जो होता है वो काफिया है, और अंत्य यमक है वो रदीफ होता है।
Acha. So what is Yamak actually?
यमक मतलब समान शब्द, समान आकार उकार जो अंत में आता है शेर में,
Means
तो वो
Acha.
आकार जो है वो एक यमक है,
हाँ
मतलब कहा, माना,
हाँ
ऐसा
I
होता है
see.
ना। तो वो कहा जो है आ, वो है
हाँ
अंत्य यमक, और
actually
माना
yeah.
भी अंत्य यमक है। लेकिन कहा क क से शुरू हुआ, तो वो जो दूसरा होगा पंक्ति में, उसका भी शुरू में क से ही होना चाहिए, तो वो
हाँ हाँ
मतलब वो हो जाता है पूर्व यमक काफिया, काफिया।
okay. Actually, Lataji is a PhD scholar. She acquired her PhD in Ghazal and all. So this terminology is, I think, very hard. But if someone is in the audience, they are the musician. Probably they can understand, and later on they can ask Lataji about those technical terminology. Yeah,
ओके,
please go ahead.
गजल के रिवायती मतलब श्रृंगार प्रधान पारंपरिक आशुक माशुक वाली गजल, जिसको कहते हैं रिवायती। तरक्की पसंद दूसरी है, जो सुधार सुझाने वाली गजल है। और जदीद जो आधुनिक है। ये तीन प्रकार
Yeah.
आम
Uh-huh.
तौर पे माने जाते हैं, परंतु इश्क के हकीकी और इश्क के मिजाजी, ये दो पूर्ण तरह से भगवान की तरफ समर्पण करने वाले, और सूफिया कवनों में अधिकतर हकीकी इश्क हकीकी का आमतौर पे कहा जाता है, और इसके मजाजी जमाने भर में सुनाई देने वाले साकी महखामा आशुक माशुक तक ही नियंत्रित होती है। बोलिए आप।
Yeah, so you told us about the three kinds of ghazal singing. And so, first two is, of course, we are here concerned is the third type, that is
हम्म,
Ishq Hakiki and Ishq Mizazi. So, Ishq Mizazi is a human love, and Ishq Hakiki is a divine love.
या
So, and Baba gave liberation to Simab, and because that Ishq Mizazi was, he led into the Ishq Hakiki, that divine love. It was transformed to like Hafiz also, Ishq Mizazi. He was in love with a girl, and then that love was transformed into divine love when he sees the angel. So that kind of course, there are other two kinds also you have told, and but we are mainly concerned in the here that Sufiana aspect,
या
and even in the Islam also there are Shariat laws and then Sufi sect. So we are not concerned with those Shariat thing, but that Sufism where there's Maulana Rumi and Hafiz Baba appreciated, and Baba liked their ghazal, and to the extent that they were the perfect masters of their time. And then Hafiz also became perfect master, and in this time Baba liked Khak Sahib, and of course Lataji was there, and other singers, Madhusudan was there. Baba liked his singing. Pune Bhajan Mandali was there, and there were yeah. So please.
हाँ, और गजल सिंगिंग में आ, हाफिज, गालिब, मीर, असगर, जिगर, दाग, मोमीन, फैज, फिराख गोरखपुरी, सीमाब, शकील, शमीम, ये सब माने हुए शायर माने जाते हैं। गजल लफ्जों को उठान देने तक ही सुरों का लगाव होता है, मतलब ज्यादा सुरों का लगाव इसमें नहीं है। शब्दों का
So
स्पष्ट उच्चारण और मन में अपनी भावगर्भित आवाज से लय में किए गए उच्चारण के कारण बेगम अख्तर की बेहतरीन गजलों की पेशकश मानी जाती है।
wonderful. I think this is a very important aspect, and
या
Lataji has told us the various names of ghazal singer. I think Jafar also was there. Bahadur Shah
जफर
Jafar
था या
is the,
हाँ,
yeah,
बहादुर
he
शाह
was
जफर,
yeah, last
मुगल
king.
बादशाह ही was।
हाँ, Mughal, last Mughal Badshah, and he was sent to Rangoon in captivity. But
या
yeah, so I really appreciate his shairi, and it was, and all these singers, all these
हाँ
ghazal, sorry, those Urdu poets, they are really great people. And what you talked is that not the singing only, but the pronunciation and the feeling with the heart it should be sung, and with exact pronunciation and insisting on, because it comes from the heart. So the same ghazal, a ordinary person and someone sings with more forceful feeling, so that differs. Even I heard in front of Baba, there were famous singers, and Baba did not like their singing, but Baba liked those ordinary singers because he has put their heart in it. So that's an important aspect of ghazal singing, where one put his heart and pronunciation and the meaning of the Urdu poetry. Yeah.
या अब मैं कुछ गजलें आपको बताती हूँ जिन्हें बाबा के सामने बेगम अख्तर साहिबा गा चुकी है, और उसकी तर्ज भी बताती हूँ।
जी जी, वेरी
ये कोई ये कह दे गुलशन गुलशन, कोई ये कह दे गुलशन गुलशन, लाख बलाए लाख बलाए, एक नशे में कोई ये कह दे गुलशन गुलशन, ये एक है।
हाँ हाँ,
फूल
वेरी गुड।
खिले हैं गुलशन गुलशन, हाँ हाँ, लेकिन अपना अपना दामन, लेकिन अपना अपना दामन, कोई ये कह दे गुलशन गुलशन, कोई ये कह दे गुलशन गुलशन, ये एक है।
Wonderful,
दूसरी
wonderful. Let somebody say the garden and the flower, and they
या
are holding their daman. Yeah.
अभी ये हाँ, दूर है मंजिल राहें मुश्किल दूर है मंजिल राहें मुश्किल आलम है तन्हाई का आलम है तन्हाई का आज मुझे एहसास हुआ है आज मुझे एहसास हुआ है अपनी शिकस्ता पाई का अपनी शिकस्ता पाई का
Can
देख
I?
के मुझको दुनिया वाले कहने लगे है दीवाना आज मुझे एहसास हुआ है आज मुझे एहसास हुआ है अपनी शिकस्ता पाई का दूर है मंजिल। ये दूसरी थी। और एक
Wonderful. Can I translate it?
हाँ
The destination is very far away. दूर है मंजिल और I am
राहें
feeling lonely. I am feeling very lonely. And today I felt that I am a loser. Actually, is that right?
नहीं,
Let,
देख के
uh,
मुझको दुनिया वाले कहने लगे हैं दीवाना।
okay.
आसपास
So
के
the
लोग जो
yeah,
हैं
the worldly people they are calling me mad, and because I'm feeling so lonely, and my destination is very far away, dur hai manzil, and but I feel very helpless and hopeless. And today I realized that I have lost.
या
Shikasta paika, yeah.
अब एक है ये है अ, जिगर साहब की है। खताओं से पहले पशेमानियां हैं मोहब्बत की मासूम नादानियां हैं कयामत तेरी जलवा सामानिया है जिधर देखता हूँ परेशानियां है खताओं से पहले दिलो जान हसरत है ये कुर्बानियां है खुशादा के जिसकी ये मेहमानियां है कयामत तेरी जलवा सामानिया है जिधर देखता हूँ परेशानियां है खताओं से पहले। ये एक है।
Wonderful. Was this ghazal sang before Baba, Lataji? This
या
whatever. Okay.
या
Yeah. Yeah. So the
ये
in love, there were so much suffering wherever I
Yeah.
see, all over
Huh.
sufferings everywhere. Yeah, the road is not so easy. Yeah, it's a tough
हाँ
road.
यार,
Yeah, yeah.
अब ये लास्ट टाइम ऑल्सो आई हैव संग दिस वन, रोजा ए खुल्द बरी, ये भी
Yeah.
बाबा को बहुत पसंद थी। ये आदि काका ने मुझे दी है।
Mm-hmm.
रोजाए खुल्द बरी, खिलवत दरवी शानस, रोजाए खुल्द बरी, खिलवत दरवी शानस, माये मोहत शमी, निगहत दरवी शानस, माये मोहत शमी, निगहत दरवीशानस, गंजे उजलत की तिलस्माते अजायब दौर, गंजे उजलत की तिलस्माते अजायब दौर, कत्यादर चमने, निगहत दरवीशानस, कत्यादर चमने, निगहत दरवीशानस, रोज़ाए खुल्द बरी, खिलवत दरवीशानस। अब
Wonderful.
इसके
I
बारे में
like
उन्होंने
the,
कहा है
yeah. Yeah, please say,
कि
because I don't get
हाँ,
the language. Which language
ये
is that?
पर्शियन है,
Okay.
हाफिज की लिखी। और उन्होंने कहा है कि भगवान जो है वो एक बगीचे में बैठे हैं, और उस पर से जो हवा आती है, वो हवा से वो भगवान की खुशबू हम तक पहुंच रही है, ऐसा इसका मतलब है।
The Lord is sitting in the garden and the wind is flowing, and from the wind we are getting that fragrance of the Lord. Yeah, so that's the essence.
अब ये एक नात बेगम साहबा कहती थी, वो भी सुनाती हूँ। हाँ, शबे गम की आंसू जुदाई किनारे, शबे गम की आंसू जुदाई किनारे, खुदाए मुसीबत किसी पर न डाले, शबे गम की आंसू जुदाई किनारे, शबे गम की आंसू। बड़ी
Wonderful.
कश्मकश में है जख्मी तुम्हारा, जिगर को संभाले कि दिल को संभाले, खुदाए मुसीबत किसी पर न डाले, शबे गम के आंसू। ये नात है।
Wonderful, wonderful. Yeah,
नात यानी,
in the, yeah, they have described the separation, that
हाँ
the
यार,
this suffering of the separation. She is telling Lord, this separation, no one should wear this separation. The suffering of the separation. Yeah,
और
Nad.
ये
Yeah,
नात,
yeah,
नात मतलब भगवान के लिए गाए जाने वाले भजन टाइप।
yeah. So there is another variety also, Ghazal, Thumri, and Nath. They are
नात,
singing in the praise of the Lord. Yeah.
या अब ठुमरी का बताती हूँ। ठुमरी में, ठुमरी ठुमक ठुमक चले सो ठुमरी। यूपी, पंजाब, बिहार, महाराष्ट्र, राजस्थान, यहाँ पर अवध के नवाब, लखनऊ के नवाब, रामपुर के राजा, इनके आश्रय में कई ठुमरी, दादरा, कजरी, हुरी गायक बसे और पनपे हैं। अवधी भोजपुरी बोली भाषा में कई दादरे भी पेश किए जाते हैं, जिसे भी ठुमरी ही कहते हैं। लखनऊ एवं पूरे उत्तर प्रदेश में ठुमरी या दादरा गाया नहीं जाता, तो ठुमरी दादरा की तकरार पेश की जाती है। ठुमरी दादरा ये श्रृंगार गीत और लोकगीत होते हैं। कृतक कोप से या लाड़ प्यार के झूठे नाटक से निषेध तकरार पेश की जाती है। बेगम अख्तरी साहिबा की कई ठुमरियां और दादरे प्रसिद्ध हुए हैं, लोगों में बहुत लोकप्रिय भी हैं। बोलिए
Yeah,
आप।
wonderful. Basically, Begum Akhtar is famous as a Thumri singer.
या
She's a renowned Thumri. Is a style where tumak tumak like in dancing when
डांसिंग।
you yeah when in the dancing when you move your waist, so that expression is known as tumak. So from there it started as a tumri, and it is basically a folk song, and it's widely sung around Lucknow's and northern states, so Bhojpuri, Bihar, and places like that. So it is that is style. Thumri is the style of singing. And is there any rhythm is
या
necessary? Like ghazals in the rhythm is must.
यस,
So
in this
yeah,
also uh, rhythm is very essential.
yeah.
First, it I will tell you that ठुमरी in तिलक कामोद ठुमरी है। अब के सावना घर आ जा, ओ विदेशी सैया आ आ जा, अब के सावना घर आ जा, ये स्थाई है।
Wonderful.
तेरी
So this is sung in separation.
फकीर,
Yeah.
हाँ
Sorry. Yeah. I just explained the meaning.
हाँ
The song she sang is sung in separation. She's giving the example of Thumri, and when she is telling her husband who is away, far away in the foreign country, that she says, "Ki please come back home in this rainy season." And so she's feeling that loneliness, and in separation she is singing and requesting her husband. So
तेरी
but yeah, yeah.
पापी है तोरी सोने की चोंच मढ़ाऊंगी, पिया के मिलन मिलन को जाऊं, अब की सावना घर आ जा, आ जा रे सावन घर आ। After
Beautiful.
antara, you have to sing it in the uh, fast rhythm.
Yeah, yeah, beautiful, beautiful. Lataji, I will
हाँ
request you the which you won the President's Award, that ghazal, and which
that
Baba blessed you, that first ghazal. So you won President's Award twice. So
हाँ,
I think the first one and second one, you can just two
oh yes,
lines.
yes, sure. First one is Dadra. That one, as हमारी कहा मानो राजा जी, हमारी कहा मानो, हमारी कहा मानो राजा जी, दूर देश मत जाना हो राजा जी, दूर देश मत जाना हो राजा जी, बिलम मत रहना राजा जी, बिलम मत रहना, बिलम मत रहना राजा जी, सौतर के लंबे लंबे बाल हो राजा जी, सौतर के लंबे लंबे बाल हो राजा जी, उलझ मत जाना राजा जी, उलझ मत जाना, उलझ मत जाना राजा जी, ये
So you sang this song before Baba, I understand,
yeah,
8 times, 8 times.
yeah. 8 times
Ah,
he ordered me to sing,
ah.
and every time he embraced me, and then when I came to sit in the public, Begum Akhtar was sitting there. She also asked me to sit in her lap.
Wonderful, wonderful. So the meaning of the song is Rajaji. Rajaji means beloved. The
Oh
lady,
yeah.
she is addressing her beloved that don't go away far away in other country, Rajaji, and don't make delay. And then she says, "Ki don't get enticed by the long hairs of her." Another
So
lady, yeah, south means what you call south, so the another yeah, so the another
another
wife,
lady who is in love with him.
yeah, yeah,
Okay.
so don't be trapped by her, right,
Who
yeah,
wrote this,
please.
by the way, Vijayji?
Huh?
These are the Thumris, yeah, very old poetries and folk songs.
But we don't know
So
the
the
author.
Gharana, see, these are very old Gharana songs. So maybe because it's a traditional song, so the author we have to find out. Yeah.
अब देखो ये अ, लखनऊ और बनारस में जो ठुमरी गाई जाती है उसको ठंडी ठुमरी कहते हैं, क्योंकि उसमें मुर्कियां और आलाप और बिल्कुल संत होते हैं, मतलब स्लो। लेकिन पंजाब अंक की जो ठुमरी है, जिसे लखनऊ में बेगम अख्तर ने ये ज्यादा इसकी ये की तारीफ करके, वो अपना गाना जिससे सीखी थी अता अहमद से, तो उनसे वो पंजाबी अंग सीखने के कारण उन्होंने पंजाबी अंक का स्वीकार किया और अपनी लखनवी ठुमरी में पंजाब अंक का भी आ, उसने प्रदान करना शुरू कर दिया। और उसका एक नमूना पंजाब अंक की ठुमरी का अ, बड़े गुलाम अली खां साहब गाते थे। काकरु सजनी आयन बालम, काकरु सजनी आयन बालम, आयन बालम मोरे, उन बिन रतिया आयन बालम, काकरु सजनी आयन बालम। ये पंजाबी अंक की ठुमरी है।
Yeah, she's telling the lady telling her friend, "Oh, what shall I do? My beloved has not come so far." It's a very famous Thumri, sung all
हाँ,
over. Yeah.
अब ये राजस्थान में जैसे ठुमरी पहुंची तो उसकी बोली भाषा राजस्थानी मारवाड़ी, उसका असर उनकी ठुमरियों पे ज्यादा है। वो प्रसिद्ध है, लता मंगेशकर जी ने गाया है उनकी फिल्म में, केसरिया बालमा आओ, पधारो म्हारा देश, केसरिया बालमा आओ, पधारो हमारे देश। ये राजस्थानी ठुमरी है।
Yeah, Kesariya Valma means Lord Krishna. And
या
so Meera requesting Lord Krishna, please come to my country. Yeah, come to my state. Yeah.
हमारे घर, पधारो
Yeah,
हमारे देश।
Marides. Yeah.
और अभी हाँ, उसके बाद रामदासी ठुमरी भी है। रामदासी मतलब जैसे हम पर देसी लोग भरा आरे, हम पर देसी लोग, हम जाने भवरा, हम जाने कैसे निभेगी हम पर देसी लोग। ये रामदासी ठुमरी कहते हैं। क्योंकि
Beautiful.
और एक भी है
All these songs you have sung before Baba Lataji or whatever you are singing here.
यस,
मतलब
मेनी ऑफ
हाँ,
द मेनी ऑफ द
अच्छा many of them. Yeah.
गजल्स तो बहुत सारी गाई है।
हाँ, कुछ
आदि
हाँ
काका ने दी हुई भी गाई है, और
हाँ।
इसमें से अभी गाई, उसमें से भी गाई है।
जो फर्स्ट टाइम आपने बाबा के सामने मेहराजाद में गाई थी,
हाँ,
जब बाबा ने आपको बुलाया था
भजन
रुस्तम
गाए
काका
हैं।
जी। हाँ, तो उसका एक लाइन गा दीजिए प्लीज।
हाँ, देवा तुझे रूप किती गोड गोड, देवा तुझे रूप किती गोड गोड, लाविले रे बेटा माझ्या जीवा, लाविले वेळ माझ्या जीवा, माझ्या जीवा, देवा तुझे रूप किती गोड गोड, देवा तुझे रूप किती गोड गोड, देह भाव सारे लाविले रे मिया, जीवा विण काया, राहे जैसी काय केली ऐसी, तुवा जादूगारी, काय केली ऐसी, तुवा जादूगारी, झालो मी पुजारी सर्व काळ, देवा तुझे रूप किती गोड गोड, देवा तुझे रूप किती गोड गोड.
Wonderful, wonderful. Thank you so much. Actually, Mandli was worried when Rustam Kaka brought this 14-year-old girl to Wawa, that oh, Rustam Kaka, how she can entertain. But when Wawa heard this song, and he became so happy, and Mandli got relieved, and everyone got relieved that Wawa liked this song so much. Oh Lord, your face is so sweet, so sweet, and such a lovely song. And I see Mehernath also here. We don't want to means pressurize Lata ji because it's getting late. So
Yeah.
please feel free. And
Oh, yes.
then Mehernath ji also is there luckily. And
Okay.
today is the great day, the inauguration of Ahmednagar Center. And
Yeah.
we are so fortunate. Lataji is here, Mehernath ji is here, and I requested Mehernath ji also to talk about this some musical aspect of this musical side because in our Baba world there is a culture of song, singing, English songs, Hindi, and now even the Westerner I see they translated Bhauji's poetry. They are all singing, and I really enjoy their songs. Jim Meyer, Bob Brown, and uh, yeah, oh, so wonderful, wonderful. So yeah, it's a pleasure to have you, Lataji, and hope you come back again because we are not still satisfied. So yeah, and please stay as much as time you like. And I think
Yes,
in the
yes.
audience, if somebody wants to ask any question to Lataji, because I see many singers are also here, like Vaishali Mistry is here, Meher Krupa is here. Michelle Schaefer is from Chicago. And
Okay.
yeah, so if they like to ask any question, Michelle is a big singer from Chicago. So anything you like to ask,
Vijayji,
yeah,
one question.
yeah, please go
Um,
ahead.
I'm not a question, a comment. I mean, I like the way the words are so beautifully, spelt out. I mean, they were sung so clearly. And I think that's, like you said, that seems to be the one of the major characteristics of all these ghazals and
Yeah,
thumris. You can hear everything, and
right.
so you can understand the meaning. But I have a request also. Uh,
Uh,
this song, Deva, I don't know Marathi, but forgive me if I sound it wrong.
yeah,
Deva Macha Hi Devatsa. I think it's a Tukaram song.
yeah.
Deva Macha Hi Devatsa. I have that.
देव माझा मी देवाच्या.
Ah, okay. Yeah,
The
that
Lord
that
is mine and I
माझं
belong to
अभंग
Him. Yeah,
can
Abhang.
अभंग
Lata,
आहे.
yeah,
Yeah.
Abhang, can Lataji
सॉरी,
sing that? I
अभंग
mean,
आहे. देव माझा मी देवाचा,
yeah.
सत्य बोले माझी वाचा. तर लता ताईंना विनंती आहे प्रकाश कडून की तुम्ही हे म्हणा, देव माझा मी देवाचा, सत्य बोले माझी वाचा. हा अभंग तुम्ही म्हणा काय का म्हणून ते विचारतात. सॉरी.
देव
थँक्यू.
माझा मी देवाचा, देव माझा मी देवाचा, सत्य बोले माझी वाचा, देव माझा मी देवाचा, देव माझा मी देवाचा. ओके.
Thank you.
Thank you,
Thank you so
thank you,
much.
Jai Baba.
No, because I used to
Lappaji.
listen. I used to listen to a bunch of Westerners also singing this song. So
Acha.
I thought it is very popular.
Yeah, very popular song.
Yeah.
Uh, thank you,
And
thank you.
they said, देव पाहावयासी गेलो, तिथे देवच होनी गेलो.
अच्छा.
I
Wow.
became the God because I went to see the God, and what happened, miracle. I became the God. I merged into the God. I became one with the God.
Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
Very fine.
Yeah. So, yeah, Mehernaji, just a few words we request you.
Yeah. Just Lata. That time she was Lata Limie. Now
Yeah.
after marriage, she became the Lata Dev.
Yeah.
She was 13 years old. Rustum Kaka first time, Rustum Kaka Hatidaru, he took her to the Merazat. And he told Baba and Mandli member, very good ghazal singer, she is coming. And when she went there, they saw the small girl, 13, 14 years, everybody surprised what this girl she will sing. But when she sang before Baba, everybody they surprised, and then she sang many ghazals there.
Yeah.
Today is our Ahmednagar Center's inauguration, 1962 also. Lata, when Baba came on 21st October 1962 at 9 o'clock in the center, and Baba told her, Lata also, sing the ghazal, and she sang ghazals there. Today, what she sang, Hamara Kaha Mano, O Raza Ji, that ghazal also she sang there. And then at 10, before 10, Baba just he remained there 1 hour. And before that, Baba said, at last, when I leave from this hall, nobody come close to me, nobody touch my feet also, nobody can say Avatar Meher Baba ki jai. But last, just Lata, she will sing one ghazal, and then I will leave. And the prasad was there. What was prepared by Chagan Master, chikki, peanut, and jaggery, mixed prasad. We call it chikki. And Baba, he touched that prasad, and Baba told, when I will leave, just Lata will sing the ghazal. After that, I will leave, and then volunteers, they will distribute the prasad. 63 also, in March, 13th March, I think so, Baba, he came to our Ahmednagar center. That time also the Lata was there, and she sang the ghazals. And Baba used to love, because in Pahadi voice, she used to sing. Today also, her voice is really very good. And many ghazals she sang before Baba. Same thing, Begum Akhtari. When the first time she came, I think so most of our Baba lovers, they know the story of Begum Akhtari. 1965, again she came in Ahmednagar for Baba's birthday on 25th. During the daytime, she sang in Merazat, and night just she came, and she wanted to sing for Baba's birthday. And in Ahmednagar, there is one ground, it calls the Gandhi ground. And I was there, myself, my sister, mother, and Begumi Akhtar. We went into the car with Adi's Chevrolet car. Adi was there, he was driving, and just exact 10 o'clock, her ghazal just it started, till 4 o'clock in the morning, and about 5,000 people they gathered there, and that was really a very good celebration in large scale. It was celebrated. Bhagirath Tiwari's wife, uh, Kokila Tiwari, she was playing the tambura. She sat behind and she was playing the tambura, and I think so Lata was also there. She remember all this, and just 5 to 6 hours, she did the entertainment of the people, and most of the
Then
people. Yeah.
one thing, that day, full program I sang there.
Where in
Gandhi
Gandhi
Maidan.
ground? No,
Yeah.
Begum Akhtari, her program was there, na?
Yeah, I know. I was
Her
there
program
on
was there.
the stage. I was there on the stage.
Maybe, maybe
Yeah.
you sing 2-3 songs, but most of the song, ghazals, because people they gathered, for the
Oh, I
Begum
know.
Akhtar, and about the 5,000 people were there.
Because that
Especially
day,
she came for that purpose.
Muhammad Ahmed was there on tabla.
Okay.
Muhammad
And
Ahmed.
yeah.
And he's also, after the program, he garlanded his garland to me. And said that because she was singing, the program was full.
Especially she came there, for Baba's birthday, Begum Akhtari, and myself,
I know.
present there. Adi was there, and we went, and then when she started, up to 4 o'clock, people were there and they were sitting there, most of the people, when the publicity, it was there, Begum Akhtar is coming, Begum Akhtar is coming. Because of that, about the 5,000 people they gathered.
I know.
Big
I know,
majority
I was present there, full
Yeah, you
program
were
I
present.
was present.
Yeah, you were present. Yeah, total
Yeah.
program. You were present. That is true. That is true. You were present. Kokila, she was playing the tambura. Just she was behind, and she asked Begum Akhtari, "Should I play the tambura?" And Begum, she said, "Okay, you can do that. You can perform." And then after, the morning, just again she returned to the trust compound. Myself, Sila was there, my mother, and Adi Kirani, and we brought her here. Bauji also, Baba used to like ghazal. Most of the ghazal and qawwali. Baba never liked classical songs, but he used to love ghazal. And Baba said, Mohammedans, mostly they love ghazal and qawwali. And just Tukaram's one abhang is there. आधी होता संता संगे तुका झाला पांडुरंगे मूळ स्वभाव जाईना and त्याचे भजन राहीना. When Tukaram was with saint, but afterwards he became Vittal, means Krishna, Lord Krishna. They said Tuka Zhala Pandurange, but his original sanskaras was there just to sing, and that sanskaras. Then what he did, he used to take people to the Pandharpur. He used to sing Vittal song, but he became the one with Vittal, and he became the Vittal. Same thing, we see the Mohammedans. They like ghazal, qawwalis. And what happened in Baba said, Hazrat Baba Jan and Sai Baba, they were very fond of ghazal and qawwali. Baba Jan's place also, many qawwal they used to come, and full night they used to sing before her, and same thing with Sai Baba also. Baba used to like ghazal because past incarnation was Muhammad, Prophet Muhammad, and after 1400 years the Lord came, and Baba used to like ghazals and qawwalis. When he was in the seclusion, many qawwals they used to come at Merazat, mostly from Lucknow and from Hyderabad. Many qawwal. Sometimes, Jaydev Qawwal from Hamirpur, he used to come. One Kachwala, he was very popular qawwali singer, and he used to come. And Baba used to call Ahmednagar center people, myself also, my mother, sister, and all our member, Rustum Kaka, Rangole, Chagan Master, Bhagirath Tiwari, all we used to go there. And even he was in seclusion that time, in Mandli Hall. They used to perform the ghazals and qawwali. and Baba was very fond of that. After that, what happened, Baba Bauji, he started writing since 1960. Then Baba told to Bauji, now you can compose the ghazal in the 66, 67. And Bauji said, Baba, I don't know the ABCD of the Urdu word, and it is impossible for me how to write the ghazal. There should be master. Master means ustad. Ustad means master. Bauji said, master should be there. And Baba said, I am the ustad. I will teach you. And Mehrazad, Baba was in Mehrazad, and Baba said, just when we'll go to the Guru Prasad, then I will teach you all these ghazals and that. And Baba just, he used to play the tabla on his thigh like a rhythm. And then he told Bauji, just take the pen and paper and just write something. Half an hour Baba was doing that, the rhythm on the thigh. And after half an hour, Baba said, just you can start writing. And Bauji said, I don't know anything in my mind. And Baba used to say, no, you have to do that. First line Baba, he gave to the Bauji of the ghazal, नाम इश्क से ही सख्त घबराता है दिल. I get scared of the name of love. It is very difficult, the name of love. नाम इश्क से ही सख्त घबराता है दिल. My heart is just shaking when anybody hears the name of love, the name of ishq. Then he said to Bauji, now you can compose the whole ghazal. And it was difficult for Bauji. Bauji did not know anything. Bauji said, but nothing is in my mind. Then second line, another ghazal, second line Baba gave, घायल हिरन की तरह सख्त फंसा हूं मैं. घायल हिरन की तरह सख्त फंसा हूं मैं. And then Baba said, now you can compose the whole ghazal. And Baba was just playing the tabla on his thigh, and just perspiration and that, Baba became that tired. And Baba said, now you don't know anything, just go and sit in that corner. Then after 15 minutes, again Baba called, and now you can just write something. And some like a wave in Bauji's mind, it started coming the line of ghazals. And then Bauji, he composed the full ghazal, that Ghayal Hiran ki tarah सख्त फंसा हूं मैं. And then Bauji composed the full ghazal. Baba also said to the Francis Brabuzin, you also compose the ghazal in English. And he told Bauji, you compose the ghazal in Hindi. And that is the something new in English also and Hindi also. But Francis also, he tried, and he wrote many ghazals, many some songs. And then Baba said, people, they will sing these ghazals written by Francis Brabuzin. When after 700 years, I will come, till that, people, they will sing that. And then same thing they told to Bauji, now you can start writing in Hindi. And then Bauji at last Meher Sarod and Meher Roshni, he composed. And many ghazals he wrote in Meher Roshni also and Meher Sarod also. Baba used to love ghazal like anything, because the inner depth is there. That is the language of heart. And Baba's master also, I said, Sai Baba and Baba Jan, mostly they used to like ghazal. And Baba was very fond of ghazal and Qawwali. And even he was in seclusion, every Sunday, the singers, they used to come from Hyderabad, they used to come from Lucknow, these two places, many ghazals. In Ahmednagar, there was Habib Master, Habib Kawal. And time to time, he used to go to the Mehrazad. When he was 10 years old, he was good singer. But from Ahmednagar, this boy, he used to walk to Mehrabad and he used to sing before Baba. Then Baba gifted one bicycle to him. And then he became, after that, very popular. Qawwali singer, very popular Qawwali singer. Then people just, they used to call him in South Africa and different places, and he used to go and he used to sing. But time to time, he used to come to Merazat and he used to sing before Baba. And I remember his one ghazal, क्या कमाल है तेरे नजरों का, मैं गिरते गिरते संभल गया. क्या कमाल है तेरे नजरों का, मैं गिरते गिरते संभल गया. This ghazal, many ghazals, he sang before Baba. Even Baba dropped his body, and he used to come to Mehrabad, and evening time, lower Mehrabad, he used to sing the qawwalis and ghazals in Baba's hall, and all the old time Baba lovers like Chagan Master, Adi Kirani was very fond of the ghazal. He used to go. Myself, I used to go, and Ahmednagar Center, Mandli members, all they used to come there, and just up to 11 o'clock, 12 o'clock, he used to sing. He never charged, the money for Baba. Once he was in Merazat, he was singing before Baba, and then just Baba gave him his handkerchief, Rumal. Baba just gave to him, and at up to last moment, he kept that handkerchief with him. Even he was Mohammedan, but also he kept Meher Baba's picture at his home. Same thing with Begum Akhtari. Baba gifted her the very big photo of Baba, and she kept that photo at in Lucknow at her home. And in the family members, even her full family, they came to Baba. They had Baba's darshan, but only she was the devotee of Baba. At last moment, when she was sick, she called the Baba lovers from Jhansi. Hamir Singh was there, and she gave that photo to Hamir Singh, and she said, now you can take this photo for the Hamirpur Center, because we are Mohammedan people, and mostly I am the devotee of Meher Baba, but in my family, mostly after my death, maybe they will dispose, they will give to somebody else, and this is gifted by Baba. That's why I have a lot of respect for that photo. And then she gave that photo, the Baba lover from Jhansi, and then he took that photo. And I think so, he died last year, but still, maybe that portrait of that photo is with him. He preserved that photo. That is the love of Begum Akhtar, and many Babas on the time, different ghazal qawwal singers, they used to come. And when I was small, but I attended most of the programs of Baba. Many good singers used to come, and Baba used to like one Jaidev Qawwal. He was from Hamirpur. Often he used to come, and Baba used to like one Kachwala. He used to come, and Baba used to like his ghazals. Adi also, most of the time, he used to sing before Baba also. In Ahmednagar Center, he used to play the harmonium, and he used to sing many ghazals. The Meher Baba Qutub Alam, that was Saga Azmi's ghazal. And Kamil Sir ghazal used to sing, सब तमाशे करके था, तो ये भी तमाशा करके थे, जिंदगी में मरने वाले जिंदगी में मरते थे, मौत ही बन जाएगी तेरे लिए जिंदगी, सबको अपना करने वाले, आप मुझको भी अपना करके थे, सब तमाशे करके था, तो यह भी तमाशा करके थे. Begum Akhtari also, he sang one very good ghazal. तुझे हुई शम्मा का धुआं हूँ और अपने मदरस के
Sound is breaking. Mehernath ji, the sound is breaking. Prakash ji, any technical problem? The sound is breaking.
No, it must be the connection from where Mehernath ji
poor
is sharing. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Please go
Yeah,
ahead.
Yeah, for last almost like 3-4 minutes, it was disturbed. Yeah.
Yeah, please go ahead.
he sang one, the couplet I will.
No, even so, Banerjee, I wonder if you have to come closer to the device you are speaking into or something. I don't know, because it's coming pretty
I will come close
disturbed.
to the
Yeah.
device.
I wonder if that helps. I'm not sure.
बुझी हुई शमा का धुआं हूँ, अपने मरकज पे जा रहा हूँ, दिल की हस्ती तो मिट चुकी हो, अब मैं दिल की हसरत तो मिट चुकी, अब अपनी हस्ती मिटा रहा. This is the sang with the Baba.
Man,
And
it's
our
still,
Lata,
I'm sorry, it's still disturbed. I mean,
it is disturbed.
हम सुन नहीं पा रहे हैं. I mean, we cannot hear it clearly.
Okay,
Yeah,
just
yeah, yeah.
I will check.
Yeah, it's cracking. Yeah, voice is cracking.
He perhaps has to move to a different location. I don't know, but it
Yeah,
can be
so
that.
yeah, definitely the session is I'm so much enjoying
Yeah.
that I think we have to call them back again. Lataji and Mehernathji has given such a means wide information. Yeah,
Yeah.
so it's
I mean,
really
all those Lataji sang are like
anecdotes.
teasers. They're so beautiful.
Yeah,
Wonderful. Yeah.
it's breaking the cracking sound, Elizabeth.
Yeah, that's making it difficult. Yeah.
It is clear now.
Say something.
Yeah,
Say a little
say,
more.
yeah,
Hello, hello.
No, I still
it's
disturbed.
cracking.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh, Jai Baba Mother C.
Mother C.
Yeah.
Jai Baba.
Jai Meher Baba, it's still cracking.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Must be poor connection out there. Yeah. Yeah. I guess your internet connection is a little not too firm at this time.
Interruption, yeah.
Yeah, I think it's just the internet. I think there's much we can do. Hello, hello. You are hearing?
Yeah,
we
we are
can
hearing.
hear,
Yeah.
but not clear. It's just broken. Yeah.
Clear
Can you
nahi hai,
hear
clear
us?
nahi.
Yeah.
Can you hear us clearly, or our voice is also cracking?
It is clearly. I'm hearing very clear.
Acha.
Very clear.
So it must be the upload speed that probably changed. You're able to download, okay. I mean, you can hear, but the upload speed is perhaps not that good. I don't know. That may be the case.
Yeah,
Okay,
no,
I will
no.
repeat that. You know, the couplet. बुझी हुई क्षमा का धुआं हूँ और अपने मरकज पे जा रहा हूँ, दिल की हसरत तो मिट चुकी है, अब अपनी हस्ती मिटा रहा. This is the sang through Begum Akhtari and our Lata Dev also. In 1962 East-West gathering, she sang one ghazal, and I think so remember that, you know, मैं मंसूर पिला दे साकी, नूर ही नूर पिला दे साकी, मैं मंसूर पिला दे साकी, नूर ही नूर पिला दे साकी, तेरी हर अदा शर्ते ओ मिजाज, तेरी हर अदा शर्ते ओ मिजाज, मुझको मंजूर ला पिला दे साकी. You remember Lata Dev?
Yes, ji.
In
Yes.
62 East-West gatherings, this is a
East-West
youth sang
gathering,
this song,
yeah.
you know, who's in, yeah, that is really the, my Mansoor Pila Besaki.
Yeah.
You can just, you know, give me the divine wine, no he no Pila Besaki. All the reality, the truth.
Mehernathji,
Yeah.
can you do me a favor? Let's try this. Turn off your video and just let's see if the voice comes out clearly. Let's.
Okay, okay. Just Joanna is here. She will check.
Yeah, no, you can turn off the video at this time. I mean, if you can just go to the camera and not show yourself. And
Yeah.
let's see if the
Yeah.
voice gets better, because I'm sure it will consume bandwidth,
Yeah.
the video. Yeah, now try speaking. Oh, he's, oh yeah, there. Yeah, that might help. Give it a shot.
Try speaking there now. Hello, hello. Is that better? You are hearing? Hello?
Yeah, try. Say a few more words.
Hello, Jai Baba.
Yes, it's better. It's better.
Better.
Yeah. Lata Devsi sang in 1962 East-West Gathering, this four line, I will repeat that, मैं मंसूर पिला दे साकी, नूर ही नूर पिला दे साकी, तेरी हर अदा शर्ते ओ मिजाज मुझको मंजूर ला पिला दे साकी. Means
Sorry for the Mehrnath ji, Jai Baba.
जय बाबा
this
जय
is Meher
बाबा.
Kripa. Sorry for the disturbance, but अभी भी आवाज क्रैक हो रहा है. हो सकता है maybe another phone is on in nearby vicinity. If it is so, then this cracking voice will come. It is still there.
Okay,
Cracking
hello?
voice is still there.
Hello?
Maybe another
Still it is
phone
there?
is on somewhere nearby.
Right.
Yes, still it is cracking.
Still it is cracking.
You can put otherwise earphones.
Okay. Hello?
Yes.
Hello? It is clear?
Unfortunately.
Better.
It is clear? Jai
It
Baba.
is
It's better.
better.
Jai Baba. Jai Baba. You
Yes.
speak.
Hello, Jai Baba. Jai Baba.
It's better.
Better.
Yeah.
Lata, in
No, no.
1962, East
Still
West
trouble.
Gathering,
Some
she sang this
some other
ghazal.
phone is there.
Some other phone is there? No.
Meher ji, we are able to hear reasonably better. So maybe
Okay.
we'll just continue. Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you.
Then just she sang, these four couplets. Again, I will repeat, मैं मंसूर पिला दे साकी, नूर ही नूर पिला दे साकी, तेरी हर अदा शर्ते वो मिजाज मुझको मंजूर ला पिला दे साकी. Means my Mansur, the divine wine, you can give me to drink. All your nur means your light. I want to drink that. Nur hi nur pila de sak. Everything I want to consume, I want to drink. And teri harada, every attitude, sharte, condition, mizaj, your mood. I accept everything. What is your order, condition, mizaj, mood? I will accept everything. I will follow. But you can give me the divine wine and la pila de saki. Everything I will accept. Whatever you say means I will follow your obedient of everything. But you can give me the divine madira, divine wine, and all the nur means all the light and everything, I want to consume. And 1962, she sang this ghazal before Baba. And Baba used to love, Baba used to like different bhajans also. It was sang before Baba. Our one Sunnu Miya, he was Baba lover. He used to come into the center and all the time he used to sing the ghazal. Mirazad also, Baba used to call him, and with our Ahmednagar center, we used to go in the bus, and particular people, they used to go to the Mirazad, and then 2 hours, 3 hours, he used to sing before the Baba. His name was Sunnu Miya. And one day, Baba he pleased him, and Baba said, I'm in mood. You can ask anything, I will give you. And Sunnu Miya, he said to Baba, Baba, there is the court dispute in the property, and that result should come in my favorable. Baba said, foolish guy, I am just in the mood. I am saying whatever you ask, I will give you. He said, I don't want anything, Baba. I want, the result should come. Court order should come in my favorable. And Baba said, foolish guy, now again I am telling you, just whatever you want, I will give, I will fulfill your demand. And at last, third time also he said, no, Baba, just that movie theater, Apsara movie theater, and that is the disputed property. It is my property. And since long we are fighting into the court, and the result should be in my favorable. And Baba said, okay, it will happen. Same thing we see when Baba was at Mehrabad Sahwas program, and somebody, they sang two ghazals of Simab. अब क्या बताऊं मैं तेरे मिलने से क्या मिला, मंजिल मिली मुराद मिली, मुद्दवा मिला, इंसा के भेस में मुझे अक्सर खुदा मिला. And second ghazal also, it was sang of Simab. मुझे कोई तो गम नहीं, मुझे बस इतना मलाल है, अपना बना के न छोड़ना, मेरे जिंदगी का सवाल है. And then that time Baba said he was not in body Simab, but he composed these ghazals, and it was sang before the Baba in Sahwas program. And Baba said, now I give the liberation to the Simab. And that is the God's mood. When God's mood is there, then everything is possible. That's why one should fit to the God's mood, and within 1 second also the miracles takes place. People, they get the God realization or liberation. And that's why we have to adopt his mood, and according to his mood one can lead the life. And we see that many people, ghazal singer, they used to come and they used to sing before Baba. Baba used to like Sidhu Kamble, his ghazal, and Baba used to tell Sidhu, now you can sing, and Sidhu used to sing. And most of the time I also heard that he used to sing in Marathi, असा कसा देवाचा देवबाई थाकडा ग, गवळ्या घरी जातो दही दूध खातो, गवळ्या घरी दही दुधाचा रगडा ग. And he used to dance before Baba, and Baba used to like many times his ghazal, because he used to sing through his heart. And one ghazal singer, he came from the Hyderabad, he sang before Baba, and Baba said to him, just your voice is very good and you sing really very nice. And afterwards Baba, he gestured to the Mandli member. He doesn't know anything. He made the dahi means curd, like sour, everything is sour he made. And then same ghazal Baba told to the Sidhu Kamble, you can sing. And Sidhu, he sang that ghazal, and Baba said, see, the heart here wise. Heart Baba used to like. And many times, in different way, Baba used to teach. Baba used to like the ghazal. Baba used to like qawwalis. But Baba said he was fond of ghazal, qawwali. He was not of classical singing. He never liked the classical songs and that. And that is the past incarnation. He was the Muhammad, and most of the time, he used to like Hafiz couplets, Hafiz ghazal also. And Baba said about the Hafiz, when he did not get the God realization, 50% ghazals he composed before that. And after 50% ghazals, when he got the God realization, then he composed the 50% ghazals, And in that 50% ghazal before God realization, there was, lot of energy was there. And with that energy, he used to write, and then he before his master, his puppet master. And then the master used to say, this ghazal in future, it will become very popular. That's why you can collect all the collection, and future people, they will like this. But he never cared. Just he used to submit before the feet of the master, and he used to forget. But the master, Attar, he told to his followers, just collect that collection. And that collection today we see. Baba used to like the ghazal of the Hafiz, and Baba used to quote many times. Baba himself, he has written more than 84 ghazals. The Upasi Maharaj Arti, Hazrat Baba Jan's Arti also he used, and 84 ghazals. and he also many ghazals he gave to the Bhauji, and 3 lines he used to give to Bhauji, and then Bhauji used to composed one ghazal. Just what I remember, I will repeat that. मस्त बनो प्रियतम के कारण, प्रेम सुधा रस पिया करो, कबाब दिल का बना के खाओ, खून जिगर का पिया करो, पाप रूपी दामन के धब्बों को यूं कब तक सिया करो, प्रेम स्वरूप दर्जी के हाथों दिल के टुकड़े सिया करो, प्रेम ही सार है, प्रेम ही सार है. And Baba also composed, many सना हो सिफते बाबा दिले हर बार करते हैं, सना हो सिफते बाबा दिले हर बार करते हैं, हमें ख्वाहिश दरमा की तो वे बीमार करते हैं, हमें ख्वाहिश दरमा की तो वो बीमार करते हैं, बने हैं खाक बाबा की तो पाए वस्ल अल्लाह का, बने हैं खाक बाबा की तो पाए वस्ल अल्लाह का, हम ये इश्क हक में उन्हीं पे एतबार करते हैं, ये इश्क हक में हम उन्हीं पे एतबार करते हैं, सना हो सिफते बाबा दिलो हर बार करते हैं, हमें ख्वाहिश दरमा की तो बीमार करते हैं, दिलाकर मार जूतों की गले का हार करते हैं, दिलाकर मार जूतों की गले का हार करते हैं. ये दिस इज द रिटन. And many ghazals, couplets also Baba used to write, and one is there, आज है मातम का घर, आज है मातम का घर, कल जिस जगह शादी हुई, आज है मातम का घर, कल जिस जगह शादी हुई, क्या कहूं मेरे यार कैसी मेरी बर्बादी हुई, क्या कहूं मेरे यार कैसी मेरी बर्बादी हुई. Another one he said, बंदा हूं दरबान हूं, बंदा हूं दरबान हूं, गुलाम हूं खुदा का, ये तन भी खुदा का, ये दिलो-जा भी खुदा का. Everything is belong to him. I am the security guard of God, I am the slave, I am the watchman of God, and who belongs to him, heart belong to him. Then what belongs to me? Nothing. We are like a caretaker, nothing else but like a caretaker. And all these small ghazals, he composed in that time in the name of nickname Huma. And I think so that collection somebody is publishing that soon. And the 3 languages he used. Hindi is also there, Farsi languages are also there, and Gujarati words are also there, and he mixed with that 3 languages, in that 84 ghazals of Huma. Many ghazals, I think so, Khorshid Irani, she had that collection, but I think so not all the 84 ghazals, but some collection, some Baba lovers, they collected, and they will publish into the book, and then if it get translated into the English, that will be good. Baba's ghazals means the heart is there, the depth is there, the essence is there. Many ghazals, the like बंदा हूँ गुलाम हूँ दरबान हूँ खुदा का, ये तन भी खुदा का, ये दिलो-जा भी खुदा का. Very nicely he composed that, and Baba was very fond. And if you see, in past, people used to sing Bhakti Geet, other songs that, ghazal was not that much popular, but ghazal and qawwali. But when Baba adopted, the spiritual ghazals, and that, now step by step, ghazals and qawwalis are very popular in the world. Everywhere now, people, they sing that, and movie also, people, they sing the ghazal. The words are nice, tune, melody is good, but the words depth is not there, And if you see Jigar Muradabadi, Mirza Ghalib, Amir, Mir, many singers, their ghazal, the depth was there. One ghazal, Baba used to quote that, इशरते कतरे का दरिया में फना होना, इशरते कतरे का दरिया में फना होना, दर्द का हद से गुजरना दवा होना. इशरते कतरे का दरिया में फना होना, दर्द का हद से गुजरना दवा होना. Another Baba used to quote that, जब कुछ न था तो खुदा था, कुछ न होता तो खुदा होता, डुबोया मुझको होने न होने ने, ना होता मैं तो क्या होता, खुदा होता. This also Baba used to repeat. सरापा आरजू हूँ, दागे तमन्ना हूँ. सरापा आरजू हूँ, दागे तमन्ना हूँ. मुझे दुनिया से क्या मतलब, मैं खुद अपनी दुनिया हूँ. सरापा आरजू हूँ, दागे तमन्ना हूँ. मुझे दुनिया से क्या मतलब, खुद मैं अपनी दुनिया हूँ. All this ghazal, time to time, Baba used to quote in his discourses also about Kabir also. Kabir's couplets also Baba used to quote that, and very popular, when Jamshed died, Baba he repeated that, मरना मरना सब कोई कहे, मरना न जाने कोई, और ऐसा मरना मरो कि फिर न मरना होए. Once we can die, again we should not come in this world. No birth, no death. Only once we can the born, we can take the birth and we can die. And when Jamshed died, where Baba was in Mehrabad, and just people, they became very sad. And Baba asked them, why you are very sad? And they said, Baba, your brother died. And that time Baba said, every moment my brother and sisters, they die. I never become sad in that. Then why should I become for one brother? Countless brothers, they die every day, death and birth. That time Baba said, the Jamshed, he merged into me, he came to me. Then I should celebrate that. I should not become sad, and you also, all of you, should not become sad. And that time he repeated that, Kabir's couplet, मरना मरना सब कोई कहे, मरना न जाने कोई, और ऐसा मरना मरो कि फिर न मरना होए. Another 4 couplets, Baba composed. Now Baba said that is the ghazal. Very nicely, Baba quoted, माया से मत प्रीत लगा, वो तुझको पामाल करे. माया से मत प्रीत लगा, वो तुझको पामाल करे. हरि प्रेम से दूर हटाकर वो तुझको कंगाल करे. हरि प्रेम से दूर हटाकर वो तुझको कंगाल करे. जा शरण सद्गुरु के, वो तेरा अच्छा हाल करे. आध्यात्मिक जर जेवाहरत से वो तुझको माला माल करे. फिर मजा काल जो तेरा बाका बाल करे. भाव कहे लाजिम है तुझको इन बातों का ख्याल करे. एंड बाबा ही said to भावजी, keep your name in this ghazal last couplet. भाव कहे लाजिम है तुझको इन बातों का ख्याल करे. एंड 96 composed this line and he gave to the Bhauji, and just he mentioned Bhauji's name. He mentioned Bhauji's name in that. And that is the greatness of the God man, And we see the many ghazals are there, countless, One ghazal really very nicely, Baba composed, आशिक तू जहां छोड़ दे, आशिक तू जहां छोड़ दे, बस याद खुदा कर. आशिक तू जहां छोड़ दे, बस याद खुदा कर. बस्ती को तू जहां छोड़ दे, आजाद घुमा कर जंगल फिरा कर. बस्ती को तू जहां छोड़ दे, आजाद घुमा कर जंगल घुमा कर. आराम ही कहाँ है जब राम जुदा है, गायब है. आराम ही कहाँ है जब राम जुदा है, गायब ही खुदा है. आशिक तू जहां छोड़ दे, बस याद खुदा कर. बस्ती को तू जहां छोड़ दे, आजाद घुमा कर जंगल फिरा कर. And these ghazals, lot of depth are there. And now Baba lovers also, they are composing, they are singing. Many people like Gopi from Hyderabad also, he composed. Our Rustum Sorab also, they sing, the ghazals. And that ghazal is also lot of meaning is there. And in each Baba's ghazal, the lot of depth is there, And through that depth, we become one with God, because worldly, when we love God, it ishq mizazi. When ishq mizazi, it becomes the ishq hakiki, means when we become one with God, and that is the ishq hakiki. And Majnu and Layla's love was like that, it was ishq mizazi. There was no attraction of body, but attraction of soul, and that ishq mizazi, it took them to the ishq hakiki. The Majnu, he said about the Laila, because the soul was one, not the body but soul, and he said, Lailae आओ गिल तो हजारों हजार, लैलाए आओ गिल तो हजारों हजार, जो है मजनू की रूह, द सोल is connected, became one, जो है मजनू की रूह, वो लैला ही आओ रे. लैला आओ गिल, worldly लैलास thousands and thousands are there. लैला आओ गिल तो हजारों हजार है, but जो है मजनू की रूह, who merge into the soul of Majnu, that Laila is totally different. जो है लैला आओ गिल तो हजारों हजार है, जो है मजनू की रूह, वो लैला ही आओ रे. And then at last, just he said, मजनू ने शहर छोड़ा है तो सहरा भी छोड़ दे, मजनू ने शहर छोड़ा है तो सहरा भी छोड़ दे, और दीदार के हवस है तो लैला भी छोड़ दे. Majnu, now he just left from the city. Now desert also, he can live from the desert, and if he wants the merge with the God, become one with the God, then he should renounce everything. Laila also he should renounce. And when at last he went there into the Makkah in the search of Laila, and just the pillar of the Makkah he was holding, and he was asking to the pillar, where is my Laila? Where is my Laila? That time his ishq mizazi was there, worldly love for the attraction. And one puppet master, he came and he said, what you want? And he said, my Laila is disappeared and I want my Laila. And the puppet master, he said, there is no such type of the Laila, there is no such type of the Majnu. Laila is also dream, Majnu also dream. And Majnu said, even Laila is dream, but I want that dream also. Then what happened? Because that ishq mizazi, it turns into the ishq hakiki, and then the puppet master, he kept his hand on the head of Majnu, and Majnu got the realization. And then what he saw, himself is the Majnu, himself is the Laila. There is no real false Laila or false Majnu. And that ishq mizazi, it turned into the ishq hakiki. And then there is also one couplet, about, एक आँख का धोखा है, एक आँख का ख्वाब है, न कोई मजनू मजनू है, न कोई लैला है, लैला है. That is all the eyes dream, ख्वाब, and the illusion is deceiving us. There is no such type of the Laila, and there is no such type of the Majnu. Everything, when soul merge into the God and it becomes the God, then what happened? The only God, there is all dream, it finished, it destroyed, and that is the spirituality, that is the reality. And through these ghazals, through these qawwalis, most of the people, they turn to the spirituality. The Amir Khushro, he was there, his ghazals also, nothing is there, but the depth is there, he said, Khushro Nadiya Prem ki, Khushro Nadiya Prem ki, Baki Ulti Dhar, निकल गया सो डूब गया, डूबा सो हुआ पार. He said, the river is there, but what type of the river of love? And when the flow of the river, it is on right direction, but love's flow is in opposite direction. And when person wants to go in right direction, the flow, just make the person, to go back in opposite flow, and person gets the scare, and then he come out, and then he merge into the Maya. But person is very strong, energetic, then he never gets scared, and he merge into the ocean. खुशरू नदिया प्रेम की, बाकी उल्टी धार, निकल गया सो डूब गया, डूबा सो हुआ पार. That's why we have to cross this river and merge into the God. Mirza Ghalib also said, इश्क नहीं आसा इतना तो समझ लो, इश्क नहीं आसा इतना तो समझ लो, ये आग का दरिया है और इसमें डूब के जाना है. This is not simple. This is very difficult. The love, and one has to suffer the whole life, and without suffering, we never get close to the God, close to that ocean's bank. And in Ghazal, most of the time, it shows the suffering. All the words, if you see, the suffering is there. Nothing else but suffering, suffering, and suffering shows us the path of God, path of love, direction of God, direction of love. And that is the ghazal. And that's why Baba used to like the ghazal. And we also all the time enjoy that ghazal. And that is दिल का दरवाजा है खोलता कोई नहीं, दिल का दरवाजा है खोलता कोई नहीं, मैं कौन हूँ जानता कोई नहीं, हर जगह मौजूद हूँ पर देखता कोई नहीं. That's why the 7 curtains are there. And Kabir also said, Ghungata ka pat khol tujhe piya milege. And that the impression, that is the weakness of our, and that weakness, we have to remove the first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, and seventh curtain. And then what we'll find? We'll find the God, ourselves. We are God, because we merge into the ocean, or ocean merge into us. That is the love and fana. Baba also, most of the time, Baba also said about the fana. And one shair, he said, and Baba used to quote that, fana ishq kya hai? Fana ishq kya hai? Okay. कारवा दर कारवा होना, फना इश्क क्या है? कारवा दर कारवा होना, यहाँ तक के मुंतसिर होना, बेनामो निशा होना, यहाँ तक के मुंतसिर होना, बेनामो निशा होना, कभी दरियाए बेताबी का सीने में सिमट आना, और कभी अश्क के हर कतरे का बहरे बेकरार होना. What is the फना इश्क? फना इश्क क्या है? कारवा दर कारवा होना. We have to spread ourselves, everywhere. यहाँ तक के मुंतसिर होना, बेनामो निशा होना. We should spread like everywhere. And why? No name, no symbol, nothing. When we want to merge into the God, and there is no symbol, no name, no fame, no popularity. And then he said, कभी दरियाए बेताबी का सीने में सिमट आना. And we have to create the capacity to drink the whole ocean can drink. And then second moment he said, all the tears, we should create the capacity to make that tears, into ocean. Like first serve the ocean, drink the whole ocean, and when we drink the ocean, then the tears comes out from the eyes, and should become the big ocean. And that is the फना इश्क है. फना इश्क क्या है? कारवा दर कारवा होना, यहाँ तक के मुंतसिर होना, बेनामो निशा होना, कभी दरियाए बेताबी का सीने में सिमट आना, और कभी अश्क के हर कतरे का बहरे बेकरार होना. And that is the another one shair, very old shair. Baba just he used to quote that, जात थे अल्लाह की, जलवे सब रुपोश थे, था फकत मैं खाना, साकी थे ना मैं नोश थे. यहाँ तक के very nicely he quoted, सब खामोश थे, और जिंदगी जब मुस्कुराई हाल कजा के सामने. बाबा's creation theory, it is quoted in this 4 line. जात अल्लाह की, जलवे सब रुपोश थे. The gods, only God was there, like ocean was there. जलवे सब रुपोश थे, all the faces were there inside the ocean. The था फकत मैं खाना, only the ocean was there. Saki means who serves the wine, he was also not there. And who drink the liquor, they were also not there. Even all these angels, devduts, everything, they were in the ocean. And zindagi muskai hal kaza ke samne. And step by step the creation started, and then whole world. And both of the Shire, he mentioned that about the theory of evolution. And Baba, he used to quote that theory, and like this in 4 couplets, 2 couplets, the whole entire world is there, evolutionary world, in evolutionary world, everything we find that, and who likes ghazals, and, it happens, people, they come close to the God because the first voice, that is the Nath, and when people like gross world, Baba said, we become attracted and one with this gross world. Same thing happens in the inner settled world. When we go, the first music is the Nath, and people, they become one with that Nath, and they feel Nath is everything. That is the spirituality. But we have to pass through gross world, settled world, mental world, and then knowledge. At last, knowledge. That's why Baba never wanted us to stuck in anywhere, in gross, in settle, in mental, because settle is also illusion, mental is also illusion, and one can go beyond gross, beyond settle, beyond mental world, and then the knowledge is there, and merge into the ocean, become power infinite, knowledge infinite, and bliss infinite. Avatar Meher Baba ki jai. Jai Baba.
Oh, wonderful, wonderful, मेहरनाथ जी। मैंने आपकी शान में एक गज़ल लिख दिया अभी। क्या तारीफ करूं आपकी, आप तो खजाना हैं। आप इतना सिर्फ याद रखिए कि आपको लौट कर आना है। So we are really means enlightened, and thank you so much. And Lata ji is waiting. So sorry that she got late today. So thank you once again,
I
and
think
we will.
Lataji is also enjoying everything.
Yes,
Lata
yes.
is, yeah, and
Jai
sings
Baba.
along,
Jai
I see
Baba.
her. Jai Baba Lataji, Jai Baba, Jai
So
Baba,
nice
Jai
of
Baba,
you.
Jai
Thank
Baba,
you.
everyone.
Thank you
Jai
both.
Baba.
Meher
Jai
Baba
Yeah.
Baba.
ki jai.
Jai Meher Baba
Jai.
Lata ji, Jai Meher Baba
Jai.
Mehna ji,
Jai Baba,
Jai Meher
Jai
Baba.
Baba. Avatar Meher Baba
Meher
ki
Baba
jai.
ki
Jai.
jai.
सितारों के आगे,
Jai.
सितारों के आगे और भी जहां है, इश्क के इम्तिहान और भी है।
Beautiful. Thank you.
जय बाबा, जय
Jai Baba.
फना के बाद बका बिल्ला है।
ना बखना के बाद बका मिलता है।
Wonderful. Thank you so much.
Jai
थैंक यू अवतार मेहर
जय
बाबा
बाबा,
Baba
very nice
ki
of you.
jai.
Very
जय
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 बाबा, thank
Jai
you.
Meher Baba Mehna ji.
जय बाबा,
And
जय
thank
बाबा, जय
It's
बाबा,
Meher Chandnori.
जय बाबा मेहर चंदनोरी जी, जय बाबा, ऑल
Jai
बाबा
Meher
lovers
Baba.
are there, जय बाबा to everyone,
Meher Baba.
जय बाबा, जय
Jai
बाबा।
Meher Baba.